Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. This is JoyNwaba. If today is your first time on this channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate this. And in today's video, I want to prepare easy and quick food for myself. I just came back from somewhere and don't have anything I like to eat from my kitchen, so I decided to make this quick meal. I hope you will enjoy it. Guys, I am really hungry. I did not prepare for this meal, not even the ingredients. Yeah, but I'm going to look around from my kitchen and find something to fix this meal together. And I do hope that this video will help someone. While I was thinking on what to prepare, I just remembered that I've got some tomatoes in my freezer. I usually buy things like this and store it in my freezer, especially at its season. With this, it's cheaper, and when you store things like this, it will also make your life easier because you always remember that you've got some stuff around the house. Because I am very hungry and I can't wait until the tomatoes get defreezed, I'm going to put it inside my microwave. This will help to defreeze it faster. So guys, what I'm about preparing is white rice and tomato stew with eggs and vegetables. Also, I'm going to be adding crayfish to it. I have some meat to use, but because I am very hungry, I can't wait. Okay, so that's why I'm using the eggs. I will show you the meat. Here is the meat, but I can't wait. Ladies, do you also store your stuffs in your freezer? Please let me know at the comment section what you think about storing things in the freezer. So guys, that's my rice. Almost ready. I'm just checking it out. Okay, so the rice has softened and it's ready. And it's time to prepare my stew. So that's my oil. And that's my olive oil. I'm sorry, it didn't show well. And I'm going to use my knowrr cube to spice the food. And that's my onion already sliced. And this is the tomatoes. I just sliced it jumbo size. And that's my salt to taste. I'm going to just add a little. And after that, I will go in with my tomatoes and stir. So it's time to add my knowrr to spice the food, and this is my curry. So I'll also add this one into my food. That much, and I stir. I also go on and add crayfish into this food because crayfish is high in B vitamins and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and phosphorus, which is very good to your body. And I add a little water to it. And also this is going to enable the crayfish to cook very well. Now I'm going to allow this to cook for 4 minutes, and this is my pepper. If you have been following me on my channel, you know that this is how I usually add my pepper. The pepper we have here is very pepperish, so I usually add it this way. In case the food is very pepperish, I can easily remove the pepper. So it's 5 minutes, and I'm sure the crayfish has been well cooked. So this is what it's looking like now, and I'm going in with my eggs. In there I have 3 eggs. I will shake it to make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom of the frying pan. I go ahead and add just a little water into the stew because I want it moist. I don't want it dry because I'm using it to eat rice, so I like it when it's very moist. Guys, it's time to add my vegetable. I'm using spinach for this, so I add it and I'll stir gently. After that, I'm going to cover it up for about 40 seconds and the food will be ready. Spinach is one of the vegetables that we should apply to our meals daily because it strengthens your bones. It also strengthens your eyesight and immune system. Not the least, it repels bacteria and viruses. Yes guys, the food is ready. Can you see that? It's very much ready. And comments below, let me know, and I will see you all in my next one. As always, thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, consider to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Leave your comments on what you would like to be seeing on this channel and the topics you would like me to cover. Okay, and stay blessed. Bye.